Gusher.
Hi, this is Andy Nathan. Today is Tuesday, and Tuesday is Guru Gushers. Yeah. Anyways, the reason I'm talking today is I'm talking about elegant themes. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about how to actually use elegant themes for your WordPress blog. Elegant Themes is one of those sites that I started using really early on as I started getting into premium themes. The reason why was very simple. They had over 76 options for $39. Pretty darn cheap, if you ask me. So I wanted something basic so I could just sort of dip my toe in there, and it's a perfect option for that because they have a lot of different cool offers there. A lot of it's more towards blogging, so you won't find a lot more of the customized ideas, but they do have some cool ideas. Now, I could go to view themes if you wanted to look at it ahead of time. You could also view the features as well. But you know what? If you really want a full out look at how this works, this is the aggregate theme, as you probably noticed. They actually give all the lists and they show like some details here. If you really want to know what it's like, I'm going to give you an inside peek at the membership area in the back. So let's go into members, and I should probably log in. And there we go. And as you can see, it's a yearly lease, $39. Really simple, really cheap to get it started with. The $39, by the way, is a standard. It is not a developer's license. I just want to be very clear with that. Do not use this as a developer's license. So we go down, we take a look. There's a lot of different themes here. I'm going to just go through. And actually, you know what? We talked about aggregate before. Let's just take a look at the aggregate one. Let's just preview it here. I think I went by it already. So here we go. Now I'm going to open this up in a new tab so I can take a look here. And we could actually see a preview of everything one. The reason I like the membership area, it's easier to sort of scroll through it. And you could see here, this is an aggregate where the news comes together. Basically, they're putting different news sites here together for an aggregate type site. I like the idea. It's a cool thought. And then if I want to download it, all I need to do is go download. And there's the PSD files, and then there's also the theme package. PSD files, if you want to start changing the Photoshop stuff and you actually know what you're doing, then that's what you're going to start using for that. I'm not going to fool around with that for right now, so all I want to do is I want to download the theme package, and I'm going to click save, and you can see it's, oh, I loaded Feather, apparently. I guess this is what happens when you did that quickly. I'm going to, the aggregate one, and just fooling around. See, you can download as many as you want. That's why I did that, of course. If I want to also go through here, more on a more serious note, and I want to go download, I want to download the PSD files, all I have to do is just click PSD files and you're done. There is a README here, so if you're looking to start, if you want to know how to install everything, they do give you instructions. Now, the other benefit of this is they've actually simplified things over the last year or so. It used to be that they'd put the PSD files and the theme files together, and I think that confused a lot of people because it just really wasn't happening that well. And let me refresh probably. Let me go into my download file. Oh, this is still actually loading. There we go. So I want to open the container file here for this. And I'm going to I'll take the Feather one as well. I'm going to copy this. I always like to put this in a folder where I'll remember where I put it. So I'm going to put it with the rest of my WordPress themes. And as you can see here, I could go in here and open it up, see what's in there. They used to be you have to open it up, and where it said aggregate, that second, this level right here would be you'd actually have to open it because all the PSD files would be right below it. I'm really glad that they actually separated this. Take a look. You see all the different files here, CSS, ePanel images, things like that, all there, all ready. I'm going to go on to my network admin site. I have a WPMU site at Market Lately, so I'm just going to add the theme there so you also know that it works with WPMU. And I'm going to click Add New. And I'm going to go to Upload. I'm going to go Browse. And then I'm going to go to Aggregate. I don't want the PSD file, remember. Click browse, or click install. And I'm going to network enable this so I can work on all the different sites. Let's see here. Do I have a test site going on here? Let's just change season for free. It's a site I haven't really used that much lately, so I could play around with it. So I'm going to go into season for free. Right now it says a profit theme. And I'm going to go into the appearance here. Profit themes is one that we talked about last week. And I'm going to click activate. And there you go. Now I can start going in and start playing around with this. Hoo hoo hoo. Go to widgets, take a look, see what's around there. The really cool thing about this is they have different widget areas here. As you can see, you're not just stuck with one single widget area. So if you want to do a lot of different things, if you have ads, you can put the ads in. They also have their own customized widget area type deals here, so to make sure everything works with your site, which is one of the great things about this. You don't really have to worry about compatibility with a lot of things because the theme gives it to you anyways. The other thing is, if you want to check out the menu, you could do social link options for the social media side. You could enter in your different profiles here. So if I want to go into if I want my LinkedIn profile here, or if I want to put in my Twitter account here, I just have to type in. I have to remember what my Twitter account is, and I just click save. I could do icons here. Do I want to open a new window? If you like, add a link to the plugin under the widget. Oh, no, I don't want to add a link to the plugin right now. If I wanted to, that's fine though. I could also go aggregate theme options. And as you can see, this is kind of the thing that really hooked me in. I actually saw this on a client's site, and I really just like this. It's just so simple. You have the logo, you have the general options here. With the logo, you have all the background images here. You could upload the background if you want to. You could also go up here to homepage, and you could actually see how many different posts you want on the homepage. What do you want the featured slider to look like? That was the slider that we were showing you before. And then you could also take a look at navigation. You can completely customize this with just easy click buttons. Layout setting. You have ad management. I don't have any ads obviously here. If I wanted to, I could go, this is enabled, and I could put it in the ad site. So, and then all I need to do is I could put the banner image in there, and you just need the URL for that, and you're good to go. And you could put in all the different things. You could put an AdSense code as well. So I'm going to disable that because I don't really want that going on there. And I could change the color of the site. If you have a child sheet is something where you could change different backgrounds to the site. You could do that there. And then you could also do SEO as well from here. It's all disabled right now. However, once I want to get moving, all I have to do is just click enable for everything. How do I want to integrate this? Header codes, body codes, whatever type of scripts and codes that you have, you could start integrating it in here. And if you have any questions, you have documentation. Simple, easy, I love it. It's a really nice system, especially if you're getting started off with blogging. You're looking to make that transition from the free themes to the customizable themes. This is a great place to start. It's easy. You have a lot of different options. Something to definitely take a look at. This is Andy Nathan from andynathan.net doing your guru gushers on elegant themes. So it's been fun. It's been real. In terms of ranking, I give this one about a 6 out of 10 because it does have a little bit here and there that's just not great because you can't do all the amazing cool stuff you could do on profit themes, but you could do some really nice stuff here that you couldn't do with some of the free themes. Andy Nathan from andynathan.net. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Gusher.